Hi, today we're going to take a quick look at how to get all my files back. So I just recently upgraded to Mojave. I've been putting off upgrades for a while, and I just realized that the all my files has been replaced with recents, and recents just isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing. So here's a list of some of the files I've downloaded, things like that. But when I create another file, it really doesn't want to show up. So I went ahead and looked at the way they're doing their search criteria, and it basically says a few things here about last update dates and things like that, and some content type. So instead of looking through all this, I just decided to create my own search. So if we go to all my files, you can see that delete me is there. If I go ahead and create another file, it should pop up in a second. If we go back to recents, again, it just doesn't want to show up. So here's what I did. I basically went in to recents, and then I went to the show search criteria. I deleted all the stuff that was there. It was just that one raw query. And I added 3 different queries. So I added one for content modified, and I put it within the last 1,000 days. And for kind, I said any, which kind of gave me an issue because when you do that, all sorts of stuff shows up. So instead of having everything show up, I just started adding these. So this item file name, I just started getting rid of stuff. So anything free list, plist, message, photo libraries, icon, just whatever I saw pop up here that I didn't really want it to show up here. I went ahead and just started adding that to the list. And now